It's Perpetual against San Sebastian. First position of Perpetual, it's Gapak. Same ball. Gapak to Tubong Banwa. Kilaw, back to Tubong Banwa. Yes, first basket, first shot on Tubong Banwa. 2-0. So 2.3 on Perpetual. Michal. Back to Michal. Fake, drive, Lusada. Open jump, first shot. Too strong. Rebound on Kilaw. Now 5. Downside to Penetrante. Fake, Penetrante. Short. It's a rebound on Lusada. Steal again by Tubong Banwa. Now Penetrante. Gapak. Short. Rebound. Now Cruz is still again on Gapak. It's Gapak 1-1 by Dominguez. 14 the shot clock 14. Rebound Lusada. Now nice steal by Calao. It's 8 minutes and 38 seconds. 2 against 0. Short. Militante. 5. Short. Tubong Banwa again. Nice defense on Lusada. Now Cruz. Dominguez. And short. Rebound again on San Sebastian. Jaime to Dominguez. Second shot. Too strong. Short. Given by Jaime. Yes on Jaime. It's 2-all. The first that luck of the game. It's San Sebastian against Perpetual. And we're live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. Gapak, drive, rebound again, anticipated by Tubong Banwa. Is Tubong Banwa again short. Rebound again, second try by Tubong Banwa again short. Rebound on San Sebastian, it's Cruz. Oh, it's Jaime. 4-2. Penetrante. In and out. Now Cruz. It's steal by Gapak. 14 to shoot. Lusada, long break. Bang, 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 bang. Oh, Lusada. It's 7-2. Tubong Banwa. Again short, rebound on Lusada. Out to Misal. It's through to Misal, right block. Bang! Basket count and one on Misal. Foul on Gapak. First on Gapak. First team foul against Perpetual.
Di ba nakadalawa na din sa court?
Basket time out. Basket time out.
Nalawa si Jaime sa tuyo.
Ayun tayo niya. Walang kumakakas sa basket.
Uy! Substar, timeout ref, timeout on Perpetual.
Dito ka, isa pala sa Perpetual.
Baling, isa lang yung nagbabantay.
Ano masaya niya sila?
Jaime dito, di ba?
O ano yan? Baliktad ba't ng 5 ka na? Walang 3. Dito na si Lusada. Mali yan. Ba't may Lusada dito yan? Ba't may Lusada dyan? Walang Lusada dyan. Ibang Lusada siguro yan. Walang Lusada dyan. Walang 10 dito. Perpetual. Walang 10 no, si Lusada. Bas.
Michal. Short. Rebound on 5. 5. to Pinitante. Tubong Banwa again is foul. Foul on number 25 on Michal. First on Michal. First team foul against San Sebastian.
Hindi.
Galing mo yan. 9 na sila.
Ha?
9-2 na. 9-2 na nga. 9 dyan. 2 dito.
9-3. 6-point lead on San Sebastian. Now Michal. Looking for Lusada. Favorite shot. Short. Rebound ng Elias. Now Kilab. Baseball pass. Gapak. Gapak. Long to Gapak. It's Gapak time. Now 5-9. 4-point lead on San Sebastian. Cruz. Oh, what a move coming from Cruz. 11-5. 6-point lead on San Sebastian. 5. Nice fake to Banwa. Wow, it's miscommunication on Perpetual. It's 4 minutes and 30 seconds. First quarter. First game. For our NCAA Steel Ligues, stop behind by Jaime. Lusada. 14 to shoot. Short. Gapak. Coast to coast coming from Gapak. It's 7-11. It's 4-point lead on San Sebastian. Now 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Jaime. Oh, what a move by Jaime. 13. A nugget.
Nugget. Ba't ang himig dyan?
Bang, bang, bang. Time out. On San Sebastian, it's 10-13. Only 3-point lead on San Sebastian.
Nugget. Nalito yung pahiya ka.
And we'd like to thank our referee for tonight. Referee Mark Abdulaziz and Rum Jets. Back to the ball game. And we'd like to thank our sponsors, the Inkers Abu Dhabi, TUI, Basketballista, now Michal.
Dalawang time out ninyo.
Traveling violation, traveling.
Time out yung kabila.
Uwe.
Huwag ka napupokus kasi ay asan utak mo.
Now 5. Shout out to the Dora Parador. First quarter pa lang tayo, first quarter. Now 5. Too strong. Rebound on Kilab. 10 to shoot. Pinitante. Short. Rebound on Najen. Now Michal to Dildige. Oh, too strong. Rebound Knights. Out of bounds. Coming from Diligues. 2 minutes and 38 seconds. And we'd like to thank our viewers, Tadora Parador. And Bartolome, the assassin Bartolome. It's steal by Nagen. Cruz. Bang! On Cruz. 15-10. It's 5-point lead back to San Sebastian. 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Now to Banwa. Kilab. Passed outside to Penetrante. Back to the game to San Sebastian. 1 minute and 58 seconds. All by San Sebastian. Now Michal. Outside to Nagen. It's Nagen! 17 to 10. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Kilaw. And still we're live on the Facebook page. Kilaw dahil to Penetrante. It's Penetrante. Short. Rebound on Kilaw. Kilaw. Bang! Kilaw. 12-17. 5-point lead on San Sebastian. Andil Miguez. Drive. Nice defense of Perpetual. Andil Miguez is foul. Foul on number 9 on Kilaw. First on Kilaw. First team foul, second team foul on Perpetual. On Perpetual. One minute and 9 seconds. Short. Early and violation. Nice one now by Mingus. 18-12. 6-point lead, San Sebastian. Gapak, let me try, air ball, rebound on San Sebastian. It's San Sebastian ball, San Sebastian, 45 seconds. Minguez. Cruz. Short. Gapak, 30 seconds. Nice defense on Michelle. Out 14 against 18. Stepping on the line on Cruz. 21 seconds. Only 4-point lead San Sebastian.
Eh?
19.
Sure board. Kasi para dalawa lang.
Kilaw.
Aywa!
Bang! On Kilaw. 10 seconds.
Sure ball.
Hi. And on for first quarter, our score is 18 against 16. 2-point lead San Sebastian. Second quarter ready, second quarter.
Please, can you make sure announcement? Whoever is having bike or bicycle inside the compound, please tell them to take it outside, please. Because you know if the school is still around. Come out anytime from now.
Perfect call. Yung mga may plan tayo, yung mga scooter natin, labas muna tayo sa yung mga scooter sa bisikleta. Pakilabas muna sa compound tayo. Yung mga scooter dyan, sa bisikleta, pakilabas muna doon. It's Perpetual ball, Perpetual. Sino na? Doon sila. First position on Perpetual, it's San Sebastian ball. Now Mendoza. Back to Alcala. Nice steal by Rivera. It's Hermoso. First basket, short. Rebound on Del Rosario. Now Yo-Yo Man. Grab Yo-Yo Man. Looking pickup pass. Jaime now. Back to Yo-Yo Man. It's Salamat. 10 to shoot. Jaime.
Aywa!
Shoot. Rebound on Penetrante. It's Deng. Looking for Rivera. Going to Mendoza. Rivera too strong. Rebound again by Deng. Deng to Penetrante. Fake. It's foul.
Salamat.
Foul on number 24 on Salamat. First, against Salamat. First team foul, San Sebastian. Now 17-18. It's 1 point lead on San Sebastian. Rivera,
Aywa.
Black, it's in Rosario, Mendoza. Foul. Foul on number 10. On Perpetual.
10 perpetual.
Abilino.
Hindi, iba.
10 nga Abilino. Perfect song.
Short.
Takbo niyo!
Now Pinitante, coast to coast, passed outside, big. Back to Rivera, Rivera right, Rivera stopping. It's 3-second violation on Perpetual. 8 minutes ensue. 1 point lead on San Sebastian. It's 18 against 17. It's Jaime. Rebound on Yo-Yo Man. 14 na set sa clock. 14. Yo-Yo Man. Nice defense on Rivera. Pinitante to Deng. All alone by Deng. It's Deng in and out. Rebound on Alcala. Yo-Yo Man. 3 on 2. Yo-Yo Man. Drive 1 on 1. Yo-Yo Man again. Yo-Yo Man side step. Block by Pinitante. Mendoza. It's white ball. White. 7 minutes and 28 seconds. 18 against 17. Pinitante. Looking for Deng. Rivera. Oh, it's Rivera. Now 19-19. 1 point lead now on Perpetual. Alcala. Salamat for 3. Short. Now Bilino. 1 and 1. Drive. Yes. Now 21. Against 18 is 3 point lead on San Sebastian.
Hermoso yung kanina.
Hermoso. It's Hermoso.
Sorry.
Mendoza.
Nice one, takbo!
Nice steal on Perpetual. It's Pinitante.
Time out.
Deng.
Reserve time.
14 to shoot. Abilino. 10 to shoot. Short. Rebound on Del Rosario. Alcala. Mendoza. 14 to shoot.
Okay. Wala. Takbo dong!
6 minutes. Now Yo-Yo Man. In and out by Yo-Yo Man. Oh, Mendoza. 20 against 21. It's 1 point lead back to Perpetual. Now Deng. Abilino.
Rivera.
Sige, balik!
Time out.
Time out.
Mga boss.
Time out. Time out on San Sebastian. 5 minutes and 21 seconds. It's 21 against 20. Only 1 point lead on Perpetual. Jaime. Salamat. It's Hermoso.
Takbo na!
Aywa! Coast to coast!
Abilino. Abilina.
Avelino.
4 minutes and 58 seconds.
Hey, Avelino.
Second quarter, it's second quarter. Time to shoot. Abilina to Deng. It's your man. 4 minutes and 29 seconds. Del Rosario for three, in and out, rebound. It's Jaime. Short. Now Deng. Side step by Deng. It's on Deng. 23-20. 4 minutes. It's only second quarter. Salamat to Del Rosario. Still by penetrante. Turnover again on Perpetual. It's 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Now Mendoza.
Sir, start time out.
Yes, sir.
Jaime. Again, short. Rebound penetrante.
Kaya!
Rivera, side step. Short, rebound by Hermoso. Yes, on Hermoso. It's 25 against 20. 5-point lead on Perpetual. 3 minutes and 10 seconds.
Start time out.
Three minutes. 2 minutes and 50 seconds.
2 points mo, boy.
Oh, what a play! In and out. Rebound on Alcala. It's timeout on Perpetual. And timeout is brought to you by Inkers Abu Dhabi, Tui, Basketballista, Rockbank, Mushroom, and Chooks to Go, Abu Dhabi.
Sinag time out, boss?
Two minutes and 43 seconds, only 25 against 20. Deng. Looking for penetrante. Rivera. Second time around. Rebound on Alcala. Short. Aguilina. Hermoso. Stop. Pump. Bang! On Hermoso. 27-20. Jaime. Rebound again on Rivera. 2 minutes. Third time around, Rivera. Again, Rivera. Block by Salamat. Del Rosario. Third time around again. In and out. Rebound by Deng. Deng. 1 minute and 50 seconds. Deng. Stop, pump. Left corner is stop. Rebound on Rivera. It's Rivera. Fourth time around. Rivera again. Rebound on Alcala. It's Alcala to Jaime. To Mendoza. Right. Nice looking for Alcala. It's 22. Against the 27 is 5-point lead on Perpetual. 1 minute and 25 seconds. 14 to shoot. Just fight them around by Deng's foul. Foul on Deng. His first on Deng. Third against Perpetual. Shout out for our Footloose man, Jerick Francisco. Block by Rivera. 59 seconds. 10 to shoot. Foul. Foul again on Deng. It's warning for penalty on Perpetual. Second on Deng. $50 seconds, 50. 23-27. 24 against 27, 3-point lead, Perpetual. Now Deng. Rivera.
Ayo.
14 to shoot. 10. Rebound on Yoyaman. It's 20 seconds. Jaime. 26-27. 14 seconds. 10.
Yung na, sure ball.
5.
Ayun!
And our second quarter score is 27 against 26. Perpetual.
Oh, bawas tayo, Perpetual. Maya. Wala pa, wala.
Akala ni Kilab ka interview. Sabi ko mamaya. 160. 160.
Third quarter. Now 5. Muneva. Black. Behind by Rodriguez.
Carranza. Carranza.
Ite.
88 Magbingay. Kabingay. Kabangay.
Now Gapak.
Ah!
Oh! What a move coming from Gapak. It's 29 against 26. Carranza.
Shooter.
Black by Seba. Black again by 5. Now Muneva. Foul. Foul on number 10 on Lusada. First on San Sebastian. First on Lusada. Muneva. Seba. Kilab. Top. It's Gapak. 14 set sa clock. It's offensive foul on number 21 on Gapak. First on Perpetual. First personal foul against Gapak.
Ay, nag-move kasi.
Now Dominguez. Short, top. Rebound on 5. Muneba. Hilaw.
Kabangay.
It's Dominguez. Oh, bang! 28 against the 29. Only 1 point lead on Perpetual. Now 5. Looking for Gapak. Short. Kabangay. Ibig Gapak. Kabangay 1-on-1. Kabangay again. It's 5. 4-on-1. 5 to Gapak. All the way by Gapak. In and out. It's Muneba. It's foul. Foul on number 25, Vishal. Second team foul on San Sebastian. Second personal foul against Vishal. Hilam. 5. 14 seconds sa clock. Muna ba? Short. Hilam again. Basket count and 1 on Kilab. All on number 10 on Lusada. Second on Lusada, third team foul against San Sebastian.
Score mo shot. Ano yung score?
It's San Sebastian ball. 5 minutes and 40 seconds. Dominguez. Wow, too strong. 5 minutes and 20 seconds. Sa clock, Muneba. Yes, on Muneba. It's 33 against the 28. 5-point lead on Perpetual. 5 minutes. Time to shoot. 5. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! On Galatsa, now 31 to 33. 4 minutes and 30 seconds. Foul. Substitution tayo, rep, sub-rep. Foul on number 4, Rodriguez, substitution. Warning for penalty on San Sebastian. Thirty-four, 31. Thirty-five, 31. It's 4-point lead on Perpetual. Rebound on Muneba. 4 minutes. Fourteen to shoot, 14 to shoot.
Kaya pasa po eh. Magsi-dribble ba? Wala, naman.
Yan mo yan.
Seba to Rivera, time to shoot. He's left in violation. It's a violation on Perpetual. It's 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Third quarter. 35 to 31. It's 4-point lead on Perpetual. Cruz. Yo, man. It's foul. Sub reps up. Foul on Muneba. It's second team foul on Perpetual. First against Muneba. Short. 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Now Deng. Tubong Banwa.
Bang, bang.
Air ball short. Atencio 14. Rivera. 10 shoot. 3 minutes. Now Cruz. Nagan.
Ay! Shoot, oh.
Rosario again. It's white ball, 2 minutes and 40 seconds. San Sebastian ball, San Sebastian. Nice pass. Alcala. Oh! Yo-yo man. You can call it, but yo-yo man. 35-33.
Reserve timeout.
2-point lead. Perpetual. Dang. Bang. Timeout. On San Sebastian, it's 37 against the 33. Timeout is brought to you by TUI, Abu Dhabi. The Inkers, Basketballista, and Rockbank, Abu Dhabi. Last 2 minutes, third quarter.
Depensa tayo, depensa.
Nugget. Magbingay is foul. Whoa! Basket count and one ng magbingay. Now third on Perpetual.
Nagkalas mo shoot.
1 minute and 47 seconds. 36 to 37. Only 1 point lead now on Perpetual. It's 1 minute and 30. Foul! Bang! Basket count and one on number 20 of Deng. Foul. On number 5, on C. Cruz.
Sure ball, Deng.
1 minute and 28. Nagan.
0 daw, 0 na.
Foul on Seva. Penalty.
Seva first.
First on Seva. One minute and 17 seconds. Now Muneba. Oh, hang time, Muneba. 41-36. Michal to Cruz.
Aywa?
Too deep. Behind Nugget.
Bang, bang. Hey, balik, boy!
Michal.
Abangay.
Same ball, 34 seconds, 34. 14 to shoot.
Kilab.
25 seconds.
Deng ang bato.
Muna ba?
Yun.
Jaime, 10 seconds.
Ay! 7. Wala nang oras!
And on third quarter, score 41-36. All but fourth wall. Fourth quarter ready tayo na, fourth quarter. San Sebastian ball, San Sebastian.
Saan matulog natin?
May kasama sa bed.
Last quarter, San Sebastian ball. Yo-yo man.
Ayo!
Nice pass. Nice. Steal on Gapak.
Ah!
Steal again on Rivera. Rivera back to Gapak. Gapak. Gapak drive. Left by the Rapids. Foul. Basket count and one on Gapak. Foul on number 24 on Salamat. Second on Salamat. First against San Sebastian. 43-36. Now 44-36. It's 8-point lead now. San Perpetual.
You know?
Mendoza. Guarded by Gilaw. Lusada. 14 to shoot. Elbow jumper. Bang! On Lusada. 38. Against to 44. 9 minutes. Gilaw. In and out. Top. It's Salamat. To Mendoza. Whoa! It's in and out. Carlos Rodriguez. Now Hermoso. Rivera. Kadibay Lusada. Rivera drive. Rivera. Tap. Now Gapak. 14 set shot clock. 14. Hermoso. 3-second violation on Penitante. 8 minutes and 26 seconds.
Nagpapasin siya sa Penitante.
Now Rodriguez. Foul. Foul on number 35 on Hermoso. First on Perpetual.
First on Hermoso.
First personal foul on Hermoso. It's 8 minutes. Time to shoot. Now Gilaw. Lusada. Gapak. It's San Sebastian ball. 7 minutes and 30 seconds. Bang! Favorite shot. 40. Against the 44. Hermoso.
Try. Patay.
Short. Rebound again on Gapak. 14 set shot clock 14. Substitution tayo rep. Sub-rep. Substitution. Gapak out. Gapak out. Gilaw. In and out. Rivera. Now again Hermoso. Black. Dominguez. Now Yo-Yo Man. It's Yo-Yo Man looking for Losada. Losada quick shot too strong. Rebound again, Losada. Losada of Yo-Yo Man. Foul. Foul on Rivera. Second team foul on Perpetual. Sub reps up.
Rivera second.
Second personal foul against Rivera. Five minutes. Now 5. Jason Moneva, 46 against 44. 40. Yo-Yo Man. Mendoza, drive, block! By Moneva, it's timeout on San Sebastian. This timeout is brought to you by the Inkers Abu Dhabi. Tui, Basketballista, and Rock Bank, Abu Dhabi. And we're still live on the Facebook page of Basketballista. It's Perpetual against San Sebastian for our NCAA Season 4 by Basketballista. San Sebastian ball, 14 sets sa clock 14.
Dominguez.
Nice pass down, child out to strong again, Moneva. Count by Yo-Yo Man. 14 to shoot. It's 10 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot.
Pasa ni Moneva eh.
5.
Kabangan.
Kabangan. Oh! Turnover again on San Sebastian. It's 4 minutes.
Wala na sila si Peros.
5.
Oh!
Pilitante, 14 to shoot. Yo-Yo Man again. It's foul. Foul on number 5 on 5. Third on Perpetual. First personal foul on number 5 on 5. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Mendoza.
Ow!
Nice pass.
Pilitante. Moneva. 10 to shoot. Yes on Kilaw. 48 to 40 now. 8-point lead on Perpetual.
Dominguez.
Bang! Dominguez. 42, 48. Now Moneva. Yes on Moneva. 50 against 42.
Dominguez.
Short. Pilitante. Now Hermoso. Moneva. 2 minutes and 10. 14 to shoot. Kilaw. Yes on 5 coming from Kilaw. 2 minutes. 44 against 52. Fourteen to shoot. 10.
Aywa!
1 minute and 36 seconds. Kick out pass. 1 minute and 24. 14 to shoot. 10. 5 to shoot. 1 minute. Short. Now, kila 50 seconds. 45 seconds.
3 points, Alcala!
Yes, on Alcala. 46-52. 30 seconds. Foul. Substitution left, sub rep. Second team foul on San Sebastian. First on Mendoza. 31 seconds.
Pagod na siya.
20 seconds. Ten seconds. Basket count on Yoyaman. It's 52 against 49.